Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can buy meme coins over on Avax. So Avax meme coins are going absolutely crazy right now, and in this video I'm going to show you guys step by step on how you can buy Avax meme coins as well. So in order to buy Avax meme coins, the first thing you need to do is download a crypto exchange app. And what you also need to do is you need to download a wallet. This can be MetaMask or Trust wallet. You also need a Google Chrome or Safari browser, so make sure you have that installed as well. And yeah, then you're basically good to go. And the first thing you're going to do is open the crypto exchange. I'm currently using Bybit, but like I said, it can also be Binance, KuCoin, doesn't really matter. Once you're right here over on your exchange, what the first thing is that you need to do is, of course, buy some Avax. Because we need to buy Avax over on an exchange. And once we have bought some Avax, which you can do by clicking on trade, and then you can simply buy. That's pretty straightforward. Once you have some Avax, what you need to do is click on withdraw. And then you need to type in Avax, because we are going to obviously withdraw Avax. So withdraw Avax. Once you've done that, you want to go to your MetaMask or Trust wallet, and you need to open that. And once you've done that, you want to click right here over on MetaMask is this. You need to click right here, and then you need to click on receive, because we are going to send that Avax over to our MetaMask wallet. And then all you need to do is click on copy right here. And once you've done that, what you simply can do is go back over into Bybit. And then once you're here at your Bybit or crypto exchange withdrawal for Avax, what you do is paste that address just like this. And then you need to select the chain type, and the chain needs to be FXC chain. And once you've done that, you can withdraw any amount over to your MetaMask wallet. That's really straightforward. But yeah, once you've got some Avax basically over on your MetaMask wallet, what you now need to do is we are going to find for a meme coin. So you can basically buy meme coins over on MetaMask, but in order to find meme coins, what you need to do is go to a website called dexscreener.com, or you can use DexTools, or basically any place you can find meme coins. It can also be Telegram. However, the easiest way to do it, in my opinion, is using DexScreener or DexTools. Once you've done that, click on Explore, and we're of course going to go on the Avax chain. And then right here, you will literally just see a lot of meme coins that are currently doing pretty good. So for example, this meme coin I used in the thumbnail called COQ basically is going absolutely crazy right now. So I want to buy this. What you need to do is click on it, and then over on DexTools or over on DexScreener, what you will simply see is a wallet or basically a contract address which you can copy. You can right here see you have a pair, you have the coin itself, and you have wrapped Avax, and you need to copy the contract of the coin you obviously want to buy. So for me, it's this one. It's basically just a random string of letters and numbers which represents your coin. Once you've copied that, make sure to double check it. What you then need to do is simply go and head over into your MetaMask or Trust wallet. And now in order to actually start the process of buying them, what you need to do is go right here into your browser section. And this is called a D app. And in the D app, you will be able to actually buy, do whatever you want. But we are going to go to this website called Trader. So type in Trader Joe XYZ. That is the website you need in order to actually buy. Make sure to click on the first one and make sure it's the official one, because sometimes there are scams going around, but just make sure you have the first one, the one I'm currently on. Click on trade. And now right here, what you simply need to do is you need to make sure that your wallet is connected. So what you can right now see is that my wallet is currently connected. But if you connect to this website for the first time, it may ask you to connect. Just simply do that and you're good to go. Now once you're right here over on the Trader Joe website, basically what you can do is swap your Avax we just deposited over on our MetaMask to any other coin. So for example, that coin we just copied, what you can simply do is paste right here, and you can see that with that exact contract, we can right now see that this coin pops up, and that's the exact coin we want to buy. In order to buy it, all you need to do is swap Avax, so for example 0.1 Avax, over to that coin you want to buy. So for example 0.1 Avax to this COQ coin basically, and just click on swap. Once you've done that, click on confirm just like this, and it will be swapping, and then you're basically good to go. We can right now see that it's green, meaning the transaction goes through. And what you can simply do right now is click on import token, search tokens, and you can simply paste that contract address right here, and then you will also be able to actually see that coin over in your wallet. And that's all you need to do in order to buy meme coins over on Avax. So if you have any questions, just let them down in the comments and I will definitely answer them. And yeah guys, that being said, if you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. It really helps me out. And that being said, I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.